Hello and welcome to GRE Mnemonics. Today we will be learning and remembering these GRE words using a small story. Gandhiji was a man who renounced violence and he had declared a satyagraha, a peaceful agitation for breaking the salt law. Now, a giant ant, amateur radio operator, quickly spread the news of the satyagraha. Soon, the news reached via chat to an onion. The onion had contacts with the underworld deities. The loudmouth onion could never hold on to secrets. He revealed the news of the satyagraha to a giant hen. The hen had a persistent desire for imported skirts. So now let's learn the words individually. Abjure. The clue is swear to stay away from. Abjure means renounce upon oath, abandon forever. Here, Gandhiji has called for a peaceful agitation, abjuring all forms of violence. Satyagraha was Gandhiji's way to protest against the British rule. Abjure implies in a firm and final rejecting or abandoning, often made under oath. Example sentences. Gandhiji stood for Satyagraha. He abjured violence completely. Here, Satyagraha refers to a peaceful form of agitation or protest or resistance, which abjures or completely renounces all forms of violence. The conqueror tried to make the natives abjure their religion. Here, a conqueror, probably of a violent nature, after conquering, made sure the subjects renounced their religious beliefs. The next word is dilettante or dilettante. The clue is a person with an amateur interest. Dilettante refers to a person who cultivates an interest or an area of interest such as arts without real commitment or knowledge. You can picture an ant here, a giant ant operating an amateur radio station as an amateur radio operator. It refers to a person who follows a pursuit without attaining proficiency or professional status, a dilettante. Example sentences. Arjun is no dilettante. The music is clean and professional. Here, the person named Arjun is a professional musician. He is no amateur when it comes to music, and thus he is not a dilettante. He is a bit of a dilettante as far as rock climbing is concerned. Here, you can notice the person visually, he seems to have no experience in rock climbing and is pursuing rock climbing as a hobby. So he is a bit of a dilettante as far as rock climbing is concerned. Thonian. The clue is picture an onion attacking underworld deities. Thonian literally refers to relating to or inhabiting the underworld. Some more ways to learn and remember. It comes from the word thon, which means earth in Greek, and it is associated with things that dwell in or under the earth. Thonian also relates to deity spirits and other beings dwelling under the earth. You can picture Chthonian as a chatting onion who's very close and has contacts with the underworld. Example sentence. Thonians are described as immense squids with elongated worm-like bodies coated with slime. Here you can visualize a Chthonian, something as an immense squid, which is ruling the underworld. The next word is blabbermouth. The clue is picture a big mouth which reveals all kinds of secrets. All secrets. Blabbermouth literally refers to a person who talks too much, often telling secrets to others. So picture a loud blabbering mouth here, which is revealing secrets. Some example sentences. The blabbermouth always gossips about other people's affairs. So, as the nature of a blabbermouth, he is revealing secrets or always gossiping about other people's affairs. Example sentence. I am such a blabbermouth that I couldn't keep the news from friends and co-workers. Our next word is hanker. The clue is picture a hen which is crazy and also having a persistent desire for skirts. Hanker means having a strong and persistent desire. Here, picture a hen which is crazy for imported skirts. It is hankering after skirts, or it is having a persistent desire for skirts. Example sentences. After a year away from the shore, the beach boy began to hanker for a day he could spend surfing. So here, the beach boy is away from the beach and he misses surfing on the beach, on the waves. So he yearns for surfing, or he hankers for spending a day on the surfboard. By the middle of the winter, they were hankering for a warm day. Let us know about your experience here till we meet next again with our next set of Gary words. Thank you.